one of the most important parts of the new shop showed up today, and I thought I would do a quick unboxing and show that. Been waiting for this for a little while. Custom made just for me, and I know it's going to be amazing. So let's do a quick unboxing. Be real careful here and just get the tape. Look at that, signed and dated. Jason Coyle, 2/24. Put this knife away. Oh man, this is beautiful. Look at that. Jason, what a beautiful piece of work, man. I am thrilled to have this. Let me show you where I think I'm going to hang it. I don't know for sure yet. I need to get things moved in here. But I am pretty sure you're going to end up right here. So stoked to have this. Jason, this is an amazing piece of work, and I am thrilled and honored to have you represented in my shop on the wall. Thank you very much. The Bengals have been close to my heart my whole life. Grew up really close to the stadium, have actually known a few players through the years, and I've stayed with them as a fan through the good years and the bad. So the fact that this is a Bengal flag is important to me, but more important to me is that now Jason Coyle is going to be represented in my shop. I am stoked and thrilled. Brother, thank you very much for this. This is beautiful.